Healthcare in America, a must for all citizens. Should your access to healthcare be based upon your age, income, job status? I believe that all Americans should have access to healthcare. For me, it is a basic right, just as voting is. According to pbs.org, excuse me, 44 million Americans have no health insurance. What it means is that if you wake up one morning with a stomachache, the only way that you will be treated will be to the emergency room. If you work as a waitress and your little girl has an ear infection, she won't be seen by a specialist for a few days. The waitress will risk the issue of a hefty bill and debt. In turn, that causes a lot of parents and citizens in general to put off medical needs and wait until the last minute. According to The Atlantic, America ranks next to last in providing same-day health insurance, healthcare. According to the same source, America ranks 8th amongst industrialized countries in getting after-hour care without going to the emergency room. Unfortunately, as the most industrialized country, maybe America doesn't have the right path to healthcare. Maybe you should look to other countries, such as Germany, in getting it right. According to the Atlantic, the German health procedure requires you to only pay 10 euros to be seen by a doctor. They have a system called the Bank Barmer Geek Sickness Fund, which is one of the 160 fund organization in Germany, nonprofit organization, in which any German sick can be seen by any doctor and pay that €10 fee. In the German system, employees pay a premium based upon on their income. So if you make less money, you pay less income, you pay less health insurance. The wealthier pay more health insurance. It's based upon who can pay and who can really pick up the poor or less fortunate. I believe that this system should be implemented in the United States. I think that if the sick are not treated, it put a strain on the rest of the country. So why not have a system where your income ratio determines how much you pay for health insurance? That is the system for me that President Obama is trying to implement. And a country like France, for instance, where you get universal health care, although you pay higher taxes. It's not perfect, but it's already a path to a better healthcare system. As a person who lived there, I'm not thrilled about paying. It could be up to 40%, 50% tax, income tax. But what they are able to do with the income tax in paying healthcare and giving you access to any doctor for any treatment at any time is a vital part of life. Without your health, there's not much you can do. It's also a way of paying for university. The system support the people, in which in America it's the people support the system, where you have to work, and to earn your keep, which is fine, but you should be able to have a fighting chance by having your health, and total access to healthcare. I think that in America, they are looking for ways to improve it. We don't always get it right here at home, but there's no shame in looking at the other countries and see what works. Of all the countries, industrialized countries, excuse me, in the world, I believe that the German system has the most advanced, one of the most advanced healthcare in terms of the treatment that they're able to provide. But the system of providing it is also very good. There's no shame in looking at it and hoping that the next generation, our children, will be able to benefit from a better system for them, in which we put our health first, before money, before greed, before capitalism, and give them a chance to, be able to have decent lives. That is all we want for our children, for ourselves. Health is the most important thing. Without it, there's not much we can do. And I'm hoping that this is what will be implemented in the next few years or maybe decade, if that's how long it takes. Thank you.